What's good, y'all? It's your boy Dio the Guyo. I woke up today, feeling good again. I have a meet coming up next week. If y'all want to tune into that, leave a like and a comment. I might vlog it. But let's just get into it.
Let's go, baby.
Fucking cowards. Don't fucking snipe me, you fucking kike bitch. I just dropped that on my head. That didn't even go to fucking... anyways.
Okay, number one, it already sounds like this is disrespectful. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I have no idea what that actually means. Let me search it up really quick. A Jewish person. Okay, so we gotta look up the Urban Dictionary version. Is this racial?
Nope.
Derogatory term used to describe a Jew, probably originated from the Yiddish. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is exactly what I was thinking. Like I was like, I've never heard somebody being, I don't even want to say it because this sounds really bad, but dang, Meyers. And the thing is, I play the game a lot, and I'm hesitant to live stream for this exact reason. Well, not the reason of being racist or this, but for the reason of my emotions getting the best of me and saying something that's hurtful to people that may be watching or listening. So I mean, dang, Meyers, that sucks, and I don't even know why you even said it. It doesn't make sense. I feel like he just said it because he just could. Doesn't make sense as to why he chose those specific two words or that word in general. Dang. But I mean, it was a short video. Second video we got is this. I'm pretty sure everybody may already know about this, but I heard about this. I never watched the video. This is my first time watching the video. I read about it, and apparently they got suspended. They got banned from Uber and Lyft, and they didn't even get on the Lyft. They got on the Uber, so it had to have been bad. Like this situation, okay, buddy. Let's analyze the situation, buddy. Right here in the front, driving the car is annoyed, frustrated, tired, obviously. And oh, girl on the right, she looked like she just looked like she yelling. The other two, the girl in the middle, she don't look like she want to do it, doesn't want anything to do with it. And girl on the end, on the left, look like she egging old girl on. Oh hell! Wait, did she take the phone?
You don't touch my property. You don't buy it. You don't buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it. Go. Did it like this?
Okay, let me just finish it off.
Did I told you to get out in the gas station? You didn't.
That was a lot to take in. First off, oh gosh, that's disgusting. That is nasty. And then they're gonna say that they have COVID. That is unbelievable. Oh, girl in the middle, she doesn't even look like she rode that way, but she just want to be let me not.
Psych!
She just look like she want to be a follower at that point. Like, what is she doing? And what is this girl? What is the problem? Old dude told him to get out. They didn't want to get out. That is sad. So let's watch it again. How is that funny? And I got corona. And then, oh girl, good. The thing is, if it's probably crazy because if old dude didn't have his camera set up, this would be very hard to believe. You're taking their word against his, and there pretty much wouldn't have been anything that would have been done because, there probably would have been like a suspension or something like that. But he did right by pulling up that camera footage. Tried to take his phone. I know physical abuse to a woman, physical and verbal abuse to a woman is bad, you know, right? But like you're using it if you're using it to your advantage like that, I'm not saying nothing, but you're literally asking for it. Like you're asking for something to happen. And I'm not even gonna lie, like they might kick his ass, but like would the fight have been merited? Like would it have been a good reason to fight them? You're taking my phone, you're coughing in my face, you're provoking me. I would have got my ass whooped, but what? Would have been a fight? I don't know. Maybe be in that situation. Okay, the girl on the left. Look, I wouldn't have thrown hands with her, but I would have took the other two. She looked like she can fight. She looked like she can fight. Look. When she started taking off that stuff.
You don't.
That girl in the middle right here. No. Just sit back, sit in the middle where you're supposed to. Look at her. She don't even look like she can reel up correctly. That's not even how you do it. No. And notice what's funny about a girl on the right. She backed up when old dude turned around. She tried to act all look. That's all you're saying. What's up? She's scared.
You don't buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it.
Okay, and you know she sat back down after old dude turned around. But as soon as old girl on the left started, you know, feeling herself, that's she fed off that, that energy, and that's what happened with this girl because she didn't do nothing until two of them did that. So that equaled a 3-on-1. That's what we call a 3-on-1. Broke his mask, took his mask off. And that's come on, you're touching me. That's 3 ingredients for a bad recipe right there. Yeah, y'all need to get out. Y'all breath probably stank too.
Did I told you to get out in the gas station?
They look like they didn't brush this morning, not even gonna lie.
You didn't.
Dang. Y'all, if you like this video, please subscribe, please like it, please comment what you didn't like, what you did like. If you thought it was cool, let me know in the comment section. And I'll do a little bit more of these. Maybe I'll grant your wish. But thank you guys for tuning in today. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. Please brush your teeth. It's the other guy signing out.